Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a little trick how to clean a oven glass door. So from the inside right here, look at the glass. It's really dirty. You can't even see through anymore. It hasn't been cleaned for a long time. Look at how all the grease again on the glass right here. It's really dirty, all grease here. I'm going to show you how a little trick how to clean this. Alright, this is the material that you will need to clean this oven glass door. You need a bowl. Any bowl will do, any small bowl. You need a toothbrush you don't use anymore, a pair of gloves, baking soda, dish soap. I use Dawn dish soap, and vinegar. So just a regular vinegar, white vinegar. So baking soda, just pour the baking soda into a bowl. Just all right. That's good enough. A little bit of the Dawn dish soap. And add a little bit of vinegar, not too much, maybe a tablespoon or so, not too much. All right, put on the gloves. You don't want you to get your hand dirty here. Add a little bit of water to bake into a paste, right there. And just mix it together really good. Right here, you just want to make it into a paste. All right, it's a paste right now, and just right there, use your hand and just put it all over the glass door. I'm gonna put it all over here too. All over the metal part too. I'm gonna put it all over here, see if we can clean all that off too. All right, and now we just let it sit about half an hour. That's it. Just let that paste make its magic. Basically, just like I said, about half an hour. It should lift all the grease out, and then just take a sponge and then just clean it, and you should be able to see the glass now. All right, after about 30 minutes, you need okay, that toothbrush again and the sponge. Just make sure you take the toothbrush and just clean it. All right, it's coming out now. All right, take the sponge. Kind of work it around, scrub it. It's coming out, you can see. You just need to work it a little bit. Alright, just keep doing it. Eventually it all come out. Alright, take a piece of rag and just clean it. As you can see, the dirt are coming out. The grease are coming out. Okay, now just with the sponge, clean up a little more. This is the final product. That you can see. It's it works. Look at that. Now it's pretty much clean. Just take a damp cloth and just wipe it off. So as you can see, it works. So next time if you need to clean your oven glass door, give it a try. Baking soda, vinegar, dish soap and water. That's it. Bake into a paste and just spread it all over the glass door and slice it for 30 minutes and scrub it with a sponge. So I hope you learned something. So please give this method a try. And thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.